Okay, let's continue. Okay, so this side of the building, let's say this is the front, right? So on the left side of the building, let us create a few balconies here. Okay, let's go to level 2, where we start the balcony. Save the project. So technically, you have your slab, and then we edit the slab. Okay, edit boundary, click that, and then we add some new lines. No? Let's say you want the balcony here, shaped like that, right? We are architects, no? We want it a little bit designed. So we want it to have like that, okay? So we need to edit this because we want to have just one polyline. We don't want to have many lines. So you trim that using the break line, okay? The split element. You split that, and then you use your trim extend to corner tool so that you can close that like that, okay? And then let's say you want to copy the same, just copy that. And then this is your reference. So you have 2 on that side, okay? And then you want to again do the same thing. So repeat it. It will serve as your practice. Trim extend. Something like that. Then when you're done, click on check. Now what I will do is I will copy these guys. So I want to bring them on the other floor. No? I will copy to clipboard. Okay, I'm done. Click check. Okay, now I'll check my 3D. So now we will have some balconies here, nice balconies. So I go to my other floors. Let's say my third floor, level 3. So if I want to copy that, I go to my edit mode again. Then I will paste from clipboard. You can say align to peak level or align to current view. So it will go on the same place where you copied it. So I don't want it here. I will move it to the other. I'll just move here and I want it here. Okay, I will have one balcony right there. Then I'll trim that. So we're doing some repetitive exercise for you to master it. Okay. Have that. Don't have that. Click on check. Okay. On attach. Say no. 3D. So it is now shaping. Okay. So you go to your other floor. Level.
This balcony is across the wall,
Hmm?
because when designed before, the slab is same level of wood. But when we create outside balcony, so this they will cross this walls.
No, but here we have to have a full glazed here, and then this will have a door here probably. Okay, we'll see. Okay, let's go to level 4. This is level 4, and we just do the same exercise. Select this, edit the boundary, then again paste align to current view. Okay, we will keep this. Okay, so we will not do much on that. So it depends on you, depending on the design that you want to make. You have those options. So now let's try to create. Our idea is we will create a curtain wall on these 2 lines. Okay. Now actually, I will not teach you yet how to cut doors on the curtain wall because it's a little complicated. So what we will do is we will do the curtain wall from this up to here only. Okay, here we will do something different, just to keep it simple to start with. Okay. So now we are here in what's this level 2. Is this level 2? Yeah, that's level 2. Let's go to level 2 and we'll create a curtain wall that goes here up to there. So what we do is go to architecture, go to wall. As I said earlier, you can use the storefront to keep it easy. Okay, we will use this for today. Next session, we will be using the curtain wall. Okay, a different approach, and then I will teach you how to create an opening on the curtain wall, how to put a window on the curtain wall, how to put a door on the curtain wall. For now, it's just basic um, facade that we are creating. So curtain wall, you can customize the molding. You can even make it diagonal. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Architects design like that. No? Okay, so next session we'll do that. Okay, for now we do the basic. So the storefront, we'll start from here, there, and terminate it there. Okay, so let's see at the 3D. So you have this type because we are using the same type that we use for this, right? But you can create a new one. Let's say we select this, and then you edit type, and then we'll say we duplicate, say storefront 2. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and then we change the distance. Earlier we had, um, so let's make this 2 meters. Okay, and then let's make the vertical smaller. Where is that? This is the vertical grid 1524. Let's make it, let's say half of this, 750, or maybe 1 meter. What do you think? 750. Okay, so it's become a little bit slim. No? It's okay. So you have something like that. Okay. And then this, we can just select it and use the other one, storefront 2. Okay. So again, select all of them. Okay. Sorry, in the floor plan, level 2. Wait until those lines come out, and then control include this. Okay. So we selected already this. And again, you can copy and align it to level 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so there we go. So slowly we are creating our not so beautiful building. Okay. So on this wall, we want to create something else. Let's go to level 2. Let's say we will be using this type. It's a thick wall. Let's see. So we already have one wall here for your balcony at level 2. Of course, we need to have railings here, right? So you just do the railing independently. Do the railing, sketch the path. You can just choose this, pick the lines, and then put an offset of 50 mm so that when you select this, will be like that. Okay, and then just make sure you pull this like this. You don't need, you can stop it right there, and then click check. You're using 1.1. I think you need that for your balcony, otherwise they fall down. And click check. See, let's see what happens. Okay, I will teach you again how to modify railings. You will not do it for the others. Okay, this is your homework. You can do it for the other ones. So now you want to have the same type on your stair, similar to your staircase, which is that. But you want it to be 1.1 meter high for safety purposes. 1.2 plus, no problem. So we put that and we use the 900 mm. Actually, this is not safe, even if it is 2 meters high. Why? For practical reason. Why is it not safe? Maybe because the child. This is your problem is for the child, no? He can climb, no, easy. It's like ladder. But if it's vertical, it's difficult. No? But not too big, otherwise the head will go in. So that's why the others most now they just use glass, no tempered glass. At least it's solid. You don't distract the view, and it is safe. Okay, so let's just edit this. We'll be learning how to edit the railing. So in the railing dialog, you edit the type, and again duplicate it. Okay, so we don't mess up the original family. Let's say 900 mm pipe, custom. Click OK. Now, if you look here, this is like the plan view of your yes, of your yeah, it's simple too. So we have the rail structure. You click that again. Click the rail structure. So if you can see, you have rail 1, 2, 3, and 4. See there, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? We have June Bryan joining us. Good evening, June Bryan. Can you hear me? Please thumbs up if you can hear me. So if we want to add another one, another railing, what we will be doing is we insert here, okay, and the height of this will be 900, okay, and this will just have the same circular handle and that one, okay, and then let's add another one. Insert new rail. Let's make this 1.1 meters and the same material. No problem. It is creating some errors. No worries. Yeah, because the top is only 1.1. So let's make it 1 meter only or 1050. Okay. It's giving us some problem. Still.
Maybe it cannot make space.
Yeah, I think we need to move up the rail first. Okay. So we will just delete this.
Otherwise, we have to increase the height, no?
Yeah.
And the height.
What's gonna happen? Cancel now. Okay. So now we have those 4. Let's move up first the handrail.
If they add the glass, how to add the glass? Balustrade.
That is different. There is another family.
Another
Okay.
family
Yeah.
added, huh?
So this is the top rail. See, so we have the top rail as 900.
Here are all the elements.
Yeah.
Same elements.
So we change the top rail. We make it 200. Okay.
That's the error, no?
So the type will be circular 400. Okay, that will be fine. 40. Now I think we can edit that. Now see the height is 1.2, right? Now we edit this rail structure. We can now add two more. We duplicate it. Okay, we make this 900. Easy, right? And then duplicate again. Make this 1100. I think that should be it. Click apply, click OK. Okay, and then apply. Okay, there it is. Did you see it? Now, so now we have a railing which is 1.2 high. I think we need to rename this now. Edit type. We can just rename this. Rename. We make it 1200. Okay. 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 So we have the 1200 pipe custom. Okay. For our balconies. Okay. Of course, you can do that for the other balconies as well. You can copy while you're in 3D actually. Select that. Copy. You can use that and put that. Okay. You can explore other copy options as well. So we can make a door here or a window or let's say let's put a door with a small, don't have much. Let's try to load some families. English, metric. English. Doors. We have some residential doors. Something that has I want to use some commercial doors. That's too big.
This one is standard or
These are in the families. So let's try to use this. Okay?
inside of it?
It's inside it. By default, it's there. There are only differences in, for example, the version of 2020 and 2021. There will be additional families in the 2021 version and the 2022. Okay. And so when you try to load one family, this family will have different types. So one family is a door with a glass opening. The type would be the size of it. So that is the term, we use the term type for it. So let's say this is 750 by 2100 for the height. That is one type. And then the other ones are this. So we don't need all of them. Otherwise, if you select them, you put them there. If you're not using it, it's just making your file heavier. Okay, so we'll just insert what we need. So let's say we need only the 900 by 2200 and another one maybe the 900 by 2400. Okay. So it's just different height, but both are the same sizes. Click OK. So if I click on this, I have only two types. Okay. The other door, it has how many types? 2, 4, 6. It has more than 6 types. So I can just click this and put it right here. Okay. And right there. You can do that also in 3D. Just drag and drop it. Okay. So maybe on this part, I just want to put a window. I want to put a small window. Maybe like that. Okay. So again, if you want to create this as a group, you select that and the doors and the windows. This is just selecting manually. Okay. You can group it again. That is our group. Create group. Wall group 3. Okay. And then copy, paste, align to selected levels. We need it on level 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Okay, of course, we need to modify because here we have a balcony. You can do it on your exercise. We will not do it just to save, for us just to save time. So our building is slowly shaping up. You already have something like that. Of course, what we need is a parapet level. See, last time I told you that when we do the roof, even if it's just a flat roof, we need to use a roof material, a roof element, not a slab. See the difference? Here we have slabs, right? These are slabs, 150 mm. This is a roof. Okay. Let us go to the detail, to the section. Do we have a section? Yeah, we have one section. See the difference? What can you notice about the difference of a floor? This is a floor slab. Aside from the thickness, floor slab, and this is a roof slab. I mean, this is a roof. What is the difference? Hmm? Okay, detail is one. Okay, thickness is one, of course. But see, notice that the floor, it is showing the top floor. This is the level, right? It is starting from the top. The termination is from the top going down, right? The thickness. But here, it is from there going up. Okay. So for you to be able to create the proper, because you will have a problem here with your steps. Now you need to make extra steps. You can just adjust your slab. Of course, your floor to floor height will be a little bit different on the roof, but you can adjust the roof here. You have the base level is roof. See, it's base, right? The base level is this. If you look here on the slab, the level, it is different. It is just saying level. That means the top level is level 6. Okay. Well, let's go back here. It's saying the base level is the roof. So if you want to move it down a little bit, you will have an offset, base offset from level. Okay, if you want to bring it up, you put a positive value. If you want to bring it down, put a negative value. Let's say I want to move it, let's say minus 250. There. So it's now in the middle of that. Yeah, but this is like it's a slab, but it's a roof element. So it's complete with all of the waterproofing, etc., etc.